Hello and welcome to 808 Cochran Drive in Byron, Georgia. This home is located in the San Raquel subdivision in Peach County, right in the heart of Middle Georgia. Come on inside. Here's a large foyer with ceramic tile flooring. We're going to come right here into the great room. Built-in shelving, fireplace, wood-burning fireplace, ceramic tile flooring, and a doorway out to the screened back porch. And now we're headed into the dining area. Large dining area overlooking all the trees. Ceramic tile flooring, lots of lights. And over here is the kitchen. There's custom cabinetry, granite countertops, Jenn-Air in the island, wall oven, and wood-burning fireplace and hearth. And here's our 3-car garage. As you can see, lots of room, shelving, some cabinets, countertop space for working, and there is also another door out to the screened-in back porch. And here we'll go into the mudroom, which has the washer and dryer hookups. And then off the mudroom is the half bath with sink and toilet, all conveniently located next to the kitchen, so you can clean up before you go to eat. Right, and here we are on the other side of the house. I'm headed over to the master bedroom. Okay, and here we have brand new carpeting, new paints, large windows, his and hers closets, and in this closet over here, there is a door for a storm shelter. Then also there is a back door here that leads out to a deck on that wraps around the side in front of the house. Over here is the master bathroom. Ceramic tile flooring, new granite countertops, his and hers vanities, framed mirrors, linen closet over here, and new tub with surround. And here we are in our Jack and Jill bath. New granite countertops, custom cabinets, framed mirrors, ceramic tile flooring, new tub with surround, ceramic tile flooring in here, and a little bit of storage space up here. And then we come into one of the secondary bedrooms. Features built-in shelving. Nice view of the barn through the window. And large closet. Okay, and now we're just going to cross the hall to the other bedroom. This one's a little bit smaller, still great sized bedroom, closets, and 2 windows. And this one overlooks the pool. Okay, and here we are out back off of our screened-in porch. Here we have a nice deck, bench seating, full gutter system. And over here to the far left is a carport. It is wired for a horse trailer. Past that is the shop, fully electric. Has heat and air. There is a hot water heater in there as well. There's a sink and restroom downstairs in the shop, and then above is an apartment with shower and running water. Then up here we get to our barn, and we'll go get a little bit closer, and I'll tell you all about that in just a minute. Above the barn is the training corral, and then that brings us back down towards the house. with the in-ground pool that also comes with a new Polaris cleaning system. Okay, and here we are at the barn. It has full hay loft, 6 stalls, hay storage in the back. Over here to the side is a fully equipped tack room with water and water and air conditioning. Then right over here to the right is the washing station for the horses with hot and cold water. And up above is the training corral. Next to the training corral is another storage shed for wood or hay, whatever you would need to store there. Okay, and here we are at the end. Just to recap a few things, inside over 1,800 square feet. All the bathrooms have been redone. New carpeting, new paints, granite countertops, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, wraparound front porch, beautiful setting. Then you come out back. We've got the shop with apartment above, garage, barn, 2-acre pastures fenced separately. Full property is fenced. Over 8 acres out here. Thank you so much for viewing my video. If you have any questions, please call Heidi Jeziorski at Keg Realtors. Thank you and have a great day.